Another command from the VEGA program toolkit for creating dynamic slices. It is called Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline. This command is intended for creation of vertical dynamic slice by polyline. We will consider it on the example of working with facades of a building. Let's look at the building from the top. To make it easier to see, we'll change the transparency. Draw the polyline. We will draw a polyline along the outer contour of the building. Each line of this polyline will define a slice for the wall. Change the transparency back. Let's look at our building from the side. The polyline is drawn at level 0. For convenience, we will move it up to the middle of the building. Let's look at our building from the side. The height of this building is about 15 meters. Let's run the command, Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline. We need to select a polyline and a point cloud. We can create slices by the current view, by the user coordinate system, or by the world coordinate system. All slices are made on the z-axis. We choose the world coordinate system. You don't need to erase the polyline. We will still need it. Now we need to define the distance to the slice from the outside of the building and from the inside of the building. When the command finishes, the building looks the same as it did before we started. But if we run the Browse Dynamic Point Cloud Slice command and click on the next option, we will see each of the walls separately. The operation of the Browse Point Cloud command is slightly different from that of the Slice by Plan command, but the principle is the same. Next, Preview. First, last. We have a separate slice for each wall. When using this command, it is very convenient to use the By ID option. There is an option, Reset Visibility, in this command. It returns the point cloud to its original state. The command, Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline, is very convenient to use with another command that is described in another video. But now we will see how they work together. The command is called Set Workplane by Polylines. Let's see how it works. To use this command, we need the same polylines. This is a very useful command for creating work planes, and it is often used together with the Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline command. This command automatically creates a set of working planes for drawing on facades or other flat surfaces. It uses the same parameters that we saw in the Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline command, but it has an additional option to create a frame. We can say yes or no. If it is no, the frame will not be created. If it's yes, we get a frame for each workspace. We'll see that in a moment. In this field, we define a prefix for the names of the views that the team will create. Label height. I want to create a frame whose upper and lower boundaries will be 10 units above and 10 units below our polyline. The building is 15 meters high, so the frame will be created with a margins. Select Polyline. In this command, there is no need to select Point Cloud because it is not necessary for creating working surfaces. As a result, we get a set of views and work planes. If we look at our drawing from the side or from the top, we can also see the numbers. Let's change the transparency of the building. Let's go from view to view. I can just go from view to find the workspace I need. Why did I show you this command? Because this command works in combination with the Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline command. I'm going to find the view I want. For example, view number 10. I run the Browse command. Select the By ID option and write that I want to see slice 10. The number of the dynamic slice view corresponds to the number of the workplane. And now I'm completely free to draw on it. I draw the same way I would draw in regular two-dimensional graphics. This was the Create Vertical Dynamic Slice by Polyline command used together with the Set Work Plan by Polyline command.